Pakistan is the Muslim country in southern Asia. It shares its early history with its neighbor India. Pakistan separated from India in 1947. Pakistan capital is Islamabad. Pakistan shares border with Iran, Afghanistan, China and India. The Arabian Sea, a part of the Indian Ocean, lies to the south. The region called Kashmir is to the northeast. Pakistan and India had a long fought for control of Kashmir. In northern Pakistan, the Himalayas and Karakoram range include some of the highest mountains in the world. Among them is K2, the world's second tallest peak, 28.2 feet. Only Mount Everest is the tallest. Weather in Pakistan is very dry region of a desert, salt lakes and narrow plain along the coast. The Indus River flows through fertile plains in the east. Pakistan has hot summers and cool winters. It is generally very dry. Winds called monsoons, bringing some rain in the summer. Some forests grow on Pakistan mountain slopes. Grasses, dry bushes and small trees grow in the rest of the country. Brown bears, black Himalayan bears, wild sheep and rare some leopards live in the northern mountains. The area near the mouth of the Indus River has crocodiles, pythons and wild boars, jackals, foxes, wildcats and many rodents and reptiles live throughout the country. The people of Pakistan are the mixture of different groups that have come to the region over thousands of years. The five major groups are Punjabis, the Pashtuns, the Sindhis, the Balochis and the Mahajirs. Punjabis make up about half of the population. Their language called Punjabi is the most common speaking one. Almost everyone in Pakistan practice Islam. When Pakistan separated from the Hindu state of India, millions of Muslims left India to settle in Pakistan. Those people and their descendants are called Mahajirs. They speak Urdu. Urdu is also the language of government and education. The majority of people live in rural areas, but the countries have grown rapidly. Most people live in the east. Many Pakistan work in a service including transportation, communication and government law. Many others work in agriculture. The main crops are wheat, rice, sugarcane and cotton. Farmers also raise goats, sheep, cattle and water buffalo. Agriculture provides raw materials for some of the Pakistani most important industries. Pakistan sells cotton, cloth and clothing to other countries. Workers make carpets out of wool and leather goods for hides and skins. Other industries in Pakistan make fertilizer, processed foods and cement. The country also mines some coal, oil and natural gas. Pakistan shared much of its early history with India. More than 4,000 years ago, people in what is now Pakistan built great cities in the valley of Indus River. Aryans, Greeks, Turks and other people lately invaded the region. The Mughal Empire took power in early 1500s. In 1850s, the government of Great Britain took over India. The Pakistan region was part of the British India until the mid-20th century separation from India. In 1947, Britain divided British India into two countries, Pakistan and India. The part of the British India that had more Muslims became Pakistan. The parts with the more Hindus have become India. Pakistan includes two regions, West and East region. They were separated by 1k miles of Indian territory. When the new boundaries were formed, many Muslims left India for Pakistan and many Hindus left Pakistan for India. Fighting between the two groups left thousands of people dead. War. Both Pakistan and India wanted the region called Kashmir. The conflict over Kashmir led to the war between the countries in 1965. Pakistan and India agreed to end the war later that year. but they continued to battle over the territory from the time to time. The conflict grew more serious in 1998 when both countries tested nuclear weapons. Meanwhile, the people of East Pakistan demanded independence from West Pakistan. A civil war between the two countries began in 1971. With the help of Indian Army, East Pakistan became the independent country of Bangladesh in 1972. Pakistan territory now included only West Pakistan. Recent times, the government of Pakistan changes often after independence. The military seized control several times, but other leaders were elected. Benazir Bhutto served 2 terms in 1980s and 1990s. She was the first woman in the modern times to lead a Muslim country. Pervez Musharraf was another powerful leader. In 2001, Pervez Musharraf supported the United States in its war on terrorists in nearby Afghanistan. Many Pakistan protested Musharraf's decision. He was forced to give up control of the Pakistan in 2008. In 2011, US troops captured and killed terrorist leader Osama bin Laden in Pakistan.